Welcome home to exceptional value in the heart of Estancia West. This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and everyday living. Step inside to a bright, open-concept floor plan where the spacious kitchen flows seamlessly into the living area, ideal for entertaining guests, enjoying family movie nights, or keeping an eye on the kids while preparing meals. Outside, the fully fenced backyard provides the perfect setting for weekend BBQs, pets to roam, children to play, or simply relaxing under the Texas sky. Nestled on a quiet, low-traffic street, this move-and-ready home offers peaceful, neighborhood living while keeping you just minutes from Fort Hood, Texas. A&M University, Central Texas College, Baylor Scott White, AdventHealth, and a variety of coffee shops, restaurants, shopping, and everyday conveniences. Picture yourself starting the day with a short walk for coffee, spending the afternoon in your private backyard, and enjoying the comfort of a welcoming community with an easy commute to work, school, and healthcare. Whether you're a first-time buyer, growing family, or anyone looking for outstanding value in a prime location, this home checks all the boxes. More than just a house, it's the place where your next chapter begins. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Schedule a showing today before it's gone.